T-Mobile's iPhone strategy gets official, YouTube returns to iOS 6 just before the keynote, and Amazon makes in-app purchases something for real. I'm Jaime Rivera, thinking about what I'm going to buy from Amazon next, and this is Pocketnow Daily. Now, what better way to learn that T-Mobile USA is not going to get an iPhone 5 than to read it officially from them? The carrier's making a big fuss about how you can save as much as $50 if you bring a carrier-unlocked iPhone into their stores and get it activated. But the problem is that T-Mobile USA is not offering the 1900 band in just about every market, so buyers beware. Even though T-Mobile is going to have an iPhone for us at stores to show you how the network is, make sure you check if the 1900 band works in your area before you make the kiss of death with Edge 2G data speeds. Now, iOS 6 will most likely be launched tomorrow, and Google has already launched their official YouTube native app to work on the operating system. You'd ask, what's the big deal about this if you've already got an Apple YouTube native app on your device? And the problem is, it'll stop working as of iOS 6 once you upgrade. Now, this native app from Google is a complete copy of what you get in Android. It's much faster than using HTML5 on a browser for YouTube, but the problem is you won't be likely to respond to comments as easily as you can with HTML5. Now, if you thought that Apple had invented in-app purchases, think again. Amazon is now working with developers to bring real purchases to applications, and I'm not talking about extra credits or new levels. I'm talking about being able to buy the real action figure of whatever game you're playing on the Amazon store. Now, this is going to work through Amazon's one-click purchasing program, so just make sure you watch out where you click from here on with these Amazon applications, because one click means one click. Microsoft isn't playing any games with their new Surface tablet. Their first ever tablet, or dare I say even computer, is going to be launched alongside with Windows 8, and since Microsoft doesn't have enough stores around the country, what they're planning to do is having 32 outlets all over malls around the country to be able to sell you the product if you're not in a place where the stores are available. Now, the list is quite big, so make sure you hit the link in the description for details on which malls will have these outlets. And damn, what I would give if they would have an international store for that. And finally, there seems to be an official version of Instagram in the works for Windows Phone 8, but apparently the tricky part here is that the parent company of Instagram, which is now owned by Facebook, is not really working on the application. New speculation has Microsoft building the app just like they did with Twitter and Facebook, which were really good applications, but the really cool thing would be for Microsoft to integrate this app into the camera like we know that Windows Phone 8 can do. That leads me to the question of the day. Do you use Instagram? I use it a lot, so make sure you follow me at Jaime Rivera on Instagram. Now, if you want an earlier scoop of everything that's happening in the smartphone and tablet world, make sure you follow us on Pocketnow.com. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks for watching.